You're okay. I'm not coming after you.
Okay,
Sorry to
okay.
run away.
I think I got this figured out. So, what we had to do was, which I should have known this, but we took we built a custom-built firmware with the phone tool, and then since we're not actually activating the phone, we're fake activating it. We had to put the phone into recovery mode first, and then iTunes recognized it that it needed to be recovered, and then we held the option key on the Mac and selected the firmware that we wanted to restore the phone with. So now, as you can see, it's restoring the phone with the file that I took off of the phone program. And all we did was jailbreak it. Well, we activated it, and then we added installer, OpenSSH, and BSD subsystems. So that's what it's doing right now. And when it gets done with that, we will let you know.